Yeah, I was born a misfit, grew up 10 miles from the town of Ipswich. Wanted to make it big, I wished it to existence. I never was a sick kid, always dismissed, quit. Stick to singing, stop rapping like it's Christmas. And if you're talking money, then my conversation's shifting. My dreams are bigger than just being on the rich list. Might be insanity, but people call it gifted. My face is going numb from the shit the stuff is mixed with. Watch how the lyrics in the songs might get twisted. My wife wears red but looks better without the lipstick. I'm a private guy, yeah, you know nothing about my business. And if I had my 15 minutes, I must have missed them. 20 years old is when I came in the game, and now it's 8 years on and you remember the name. And if you thought I was good, well then I'm better today. But it's ironic how you people thought I'd never be great. I like the shows open air, Tokyo to Delaware. Put your phones in the air if you wanna be rock. You know I want way more than I already got. Give me a song with Eminem and 50 Cent in the club.
You know it's my time to call it a day. I wanna crack on and I wanna be paid. It's my time, you remember the name. Hey, hey. You know it's my time to call it a day. I wanna crack on and I wanna be paid. It's my time, you remember the name. Hey, hey.
I can still remember trying to shop a deal from Taco Bell to TRL. I climbed the Billboard chart to the top until, as fate would have it, became an addict. Funny, cause I had pop a pill, but they said time would tell if I prevail. And all I did was put 9 inch nails in my eyelids now. I'm seeing diamond sales like I'm in Zales. Without a doubt, by any means, a rapper skinny jeans, I couldn't do anything. I be splitting scenes of them when I'm seeing schemes, which really means no advance of butts, I squeeze it in between. You sleep on me, but you're only fucking free. Now even when I'm on my deathbed, man, I feel like Ed. It isn't time to drop the mic yet, so why would I quit? The thought that I would stop when I'm dead just popped in my head. I said it, then forgot what I said. It isn't
my time to call it a day. I got rep locked and I'm already paid. But it's about time you remember the name. Hey, hey. You know it's my time to call it a day. I got rep locked and I'm already paid. But it's about time you remember the name. Hey, hey. You know it's my time to call it a day. I wanna rep on and I wanna be paid. It's about time you remember the name. Hey, hey. You know it's my time to call it a day. I wanna rep on and I wanna be paid. It's about time you remember the name. Hey, hey.
Ain't nobody cold as me. I dress so fresh, so clean. You can find me in my whip, rocking my Fendi drip. Man, you know just what I mean. Shining, wrist with the rocks on it, Bushimis with locks on it. Everything my voice on, the shit knocked on it. Balenciaga saga, I'm a bird dog baller. It's just another episode, my hoes are spoiling. She like to fly shit, and I like to buy shit. Shit, I'm getting stupid money. What else we gon' do with money? Bitch, we be ballin' out. The king bring me 50 bottles. Tonight we gon' blow a check. What about this shit tomorrow? The turn up is so real. We bout to get super lit. Boy, I'm getting straight facts. That's just how we do this shit. Tomorrow we hanging over till we start feeling sober. Then it's time to start it over. Here we go again.
You know it's my time to call it a day. I got rap locked and I'm already paid. This is about time you